Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate notes on Instagram or fix notes not showing up. Instagram just launched their new feature where you can leave a note on your Instagram. So let's check that out. First, open your Instagram. Once you're logged in, on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see the message icon. Tap on that. As we know before, this is what it only shows, the messages directly. But now it says in here, leave a note. Now, what if this is not showing up? Then we'll try to fix that. So first, you can go to your app store and then try to search for Instagram. Once you're in here, make sure that aligned with Instagram, it says open, not update. If it's showing update, then tap on update so that your Instagram will be updated and you'll have the new features Instagram has launched. Other option is you can quickly uninstall the app and then install it again so that you would be able to download the new update of Instagram. If it's still not working, then open your Instagram. Go to your profile on the lower right part of your screen. Tap on profile. And then on the upper right part of your screen, tap the burger icon. And then tap on settings. In here, you'll see an option, help. Tap on that. And then tap on report a problem. And then here, tap report problem without shaking. Tap include and continue. Now we will be reporting or we will be explaining what's happening on our Instagram. So I'll put in here my Instagram notes are not working. Then you can upload a photo in here and then take a screenshot of the Instagram not showing up and then just tap on send. Instagram should be back to us within 24 to 48 hours for them to fix the notes not showing up on your Instagram. And that's how to activate Instagram notes or fix Instagram notes not showing up. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.